in 2 months, I went from somebody who hadn't written a single line in Python in my life to somebody who could make a computer science project that was actually quite incredible. My name is Christelle. I did the data science and artificial intelligence bootcamp. I was a geneticist and I'm now a data scientist in a pharmaceutical company. I was working in the biotech sector and I realized that there was so much clinical data and not a lot of people who knew what to do with that because they were very high volume. I thought I would like to learn how to do data science. To analyze this type of data. I did the data science and artificial intelligence bootcamp in 2 months. Very intense. I did that last April in 2024. That was very interesting. I liked it. I like the way we had to be on site to work because after working remotely for 4 years, it was very nice, to have an emulation and everything was buzzing, It was a lot of energy. We were a big group, we were 62 people, so as I'm a bit shy usually, the buddy system was nice because I could meet a new person every day. It was quite a smooth interaction. I also like the rhythm. It was something new every day. It was exhausting, but at the same time, it was very rewarding. At the end of the day, you were so tired, but you were also very happy because you learned so many new things. In 2 months, I went from somebody who hadn't written a single line in Python in my life to somebody who could make a computer science project that was actually quite incredible. The first time I think I made a little computer vision program. It was something very big, very obscure, and to see that in a few weeks into the bootcamp I was able to do that. It was quite amazing. I do a lot of pandas, as I did in the bootcamp. So it was very nice to have this skill sets very well developed during the bootcamp.